Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You're at a cafe, the airport, or a hotel, and you see that beautiful free public Wi-Fi signal. It feels like a lifesaver, right? But what if I told you that connecting to it could be one of the biggest online dangers you face? Today, we're diving into why public Wi-Fi can be a hacker's playground and, more importantly, how you can stay safe. So, how do hackers actually exploit these networks? One of the most common methods is called a man-in-the-middle attack. Imagine you're having a private conversation, but someone is secretly listening in. That's exactly what happens here. A cybercriminal positions themselves between your device and the internet connection, allowing them to intercept, read, and even modify everything you send and receive. This includes your passwords, banking details, and private messages. Another sneaky trick is creating evil twin or fake hotspots. A hacker sets up a Wi-Fi network with a convincing name, like free_airport_Wi-Fi or coffeeshop_guest. You connect, thinking it's legitimate, but you're actually connecting directly to their device. From there, they can monitor your activity and steal your information. Plus, many public networks are unencrypted, meaning your data is sent out like a postcard for anyone to read. So, what can you do to protect yourself? First and foremost, use a VPN or a virtual private network. A VPN is like a secure, encrypted tunnel for your internet traffic. It hides your IP address and scrambles your data, making it unreadable to anyone trying to snoop on you. It's the single most effective tool for staying safe on public Wi-Fi. Next, a simple but crucial tip: turn off the auto connect feature on your phone and laptop. This prevents your device from automatically joining nearby Wi-Fi networks without your permission, some of which could be malicious. Also, try to avoid sensitive activities. Don't log into your bank account, shop online, or access any site that requires personal information. If you absolutely have to, always check that the website's address starts with HTTPS. The S stands for secure, and it means the connection between your browser and the website is encrypted. A great alternative is to use your phone's mobile hotspot. It's a personal, password-protected network that is significantly safer than any public Wi-Fi. To wrap it up, use a VPN, turn off AutoConnect, avoid sensitive transactions, look for HTTPS, and use your own hotspot when possible. Following these steps can make all the difference in keeping your digital life private and secure. Your online safety is worth the extra few seconds of caution. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital safety tips, and share it with friends and family. Let's help everyone stay safe online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.